We didn't trust the weatherman.
They said there was supposed to be 40-mile-an-hour winds before we headed out to go clean up 3 trees. But it looked amazing out, so we headed out anyway. You think that's gonna come back to haunt us? I gotta be home by 4 because my wife's got something I gotta go do. If she sees this, she's gonna be like, oh. It's right about here when the wind picked up and blew us aground and messed up the motor. There you go. Goodbye, log. Oh my God. Yeah, see? Wanna chop that thing? There. We checked to make sure it was deep enough, and then we headed out to the second stop in our journey. We finished trimming the overhanging tree, and now we wanted to get to the third and biggest tree.
Say it.
We didn't realize that this part of the river was pretty protected from the wind. And we just started working. So we just thought that the wind actually stopped. But it didn't. We were clueless, but we were having a blast. Dude, waders are awesome. Grappling hooks are awesome. Logging is awesome. Boats are awesome.
I'd suggest we listen to Kenny Loggins. You're wasting calories.
We're learning what a grapple could do out in the wild.
I stand by what I said, but seeing that was a pretty rewarding feeling. Gotcha? No. Okay.
When we finally realized that the wind was actually getting worse instead of better, it was already too late.
And we're going backwards. Faster than we were ever going forward.
So we anchored, but the wind was breaking us loose. So we tried beaching the boat and then anchoring. But that didn't work either. Our boat isn't too aerodynamic because it's a big square. So we beached the boat again, and then I had to stand on the front and eat to try and weigh us down. Oh, we got a jar, a mystery jar. What is that, peanut butter? Oh, and that's foam. Ah.
Click on the next video.
Like I'm not using that.